We continue to question 18. Question 18, it is a sequence question. So what do we need to do for sequence question? Of course, we need to find its sequence. An is equals to 11 minus 3n. So how can we express this form? This is clearly sum of an arithmetic sequence. A1 is equals to 11 minus 3 times 1, which is 8. A2 is equals to 11 minus 3 times 2, which is 5. A3 is equals to 11 minus 3 times 3 is equals to 2. The difference is minus 3. So, the arithmetic sequence, the first sequence, which is the A1, will be 8. And last sequence, AN, would be 11 minus 3n. How do we do this question? We need to apply the formula. The beginning time plus the end times the number of terms divided by 2. This is the value. So after a bunch of calculations, you'll get this value right here. Part B. Find the greatest value of n such that b1, b2, b3, b times bn is larger or equal to negative 85. First, we need to know b1 is what? b1 is equals to 10 to the power of 8. b2 is equals to 10 to the power of 5. Why is it so? Because this term is same as an. So actually, bn is equals to 10 an. So, but how come it's times? So how can we change it to a more pretty form? We can log both answers. Log. Oh, sorry, it already logged for us. I'm misread. Log. So we need to remember the properties of logarithms. Yes, we need to remember what is logarithm. So it actually already given us this pretty formula. Why do we know it's like this? Because log AB is equals log A plus log B. This is one of the property of logarithms. So it would be simply like this. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus ... plus AN larger or equal to minus 85. because we know that the base here is 10. If the base is 10, log 10 an, it actually equals to an log 10. This one is equals to 1. So, as of the base is 10, this is the another property that we're using here. So as we all know, the base is 10, so it will become a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus blah 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 plus until to an. So we can already apply the formula up on the A part to find the value of n. And after that, we'll find this pretty formula here. And after factorization, use the program, you'll find this question. You'll find this equation here. However, we need to beware. This is the let this be the function we get, and then this is -5, and this is 34/3. Only we need to beware, this is smaller or equals to 0. So we only need this part right here, and the other part, which is smaller than -5 or larger than 34/3, we don't want that. So the only suitable range is here, in between the two numbers. So this would be the answer. However, we need to find the greatest value of n. N is a positive integer, so it cannot be 34/3. So the closest integer to the closest and the largest integer to 34/3 is 11. So n is 11. This is the greatest value of n.